Children, topic natural disasters, lesson number 12. What are the natural disasters? They are the floods, droughts, earthquake, and cyclones. These are the natural disasters. First, we can see the floods. How the floods occurs because of the overflow of river, then water bodies. The floods will be occur. Before that, we can see how this with a river and the water bodies are overflows, the dams are filled with rainwater. Then the drought, how this drought is happens in the world because of lack of rain. If there is no rain, there will be a drought. We can't get fertility if there is no water. The water is the main source for irrigation. The water is the main source for agriculture. If there is no rain, that will be the lack of rain, that is highly affect the land. We can't get enough of water to the drinking water bodies also. That will be also affected by drought. Then the earthquake, how is it is occurs because of the movement of the landslide. In that earthquake is occurs because sometimes the ground shakes violently, and because of this earthquake sometimes the tsunami will be also occurs. We will learn about these things in the higher classes. Then the shaking of the land is caused by the sudden movement of there will be a sudden movement under the earth, that will be occur the earthquake. Because of this earthquakes are the heavily earthquake. If the earthquake happens under the water bodies means under the ocean and like that, that will be make the tsunami. And also then the earthquake is measured in the Richter scale. We can see this in the television news, and they will tell after more than 12 points means there will be a tsunami. So near the water bodies, those who are living, they need to keep themselves very safely. Then cyclones, this is a time for this cyclone. No, northeast monsoon will be happen in these times. We know that immediately we will get the rainfall and at all. You see, cyclones are violent storms. What is cyclones? The cyclones are violent storms. When the violent storms are occurs, there will be many more problems will be happen. The trees will be fell down, more rainwater. The last year also we have faced that problem. Then generally in India, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Gujarat are the cyclone prone zones. If you are learning in the higher class, they will tell Puducherry cyclone prone zone also. Yeah, one more time we can see a small recap for the lesson. Floods, for example, the floods generally occur when it is very heavy rainfall. Because of the heavy rainfall only the floods will be occur. You see, because of heavy rainfall, the water bodies will be filled with more water, and it will be overflow, and it will come out to the living areas. Because of this only because of heavy rainfall only the floods will be occurs. Because of, and then second one is drought. What is the reason for drought? There is no rain, then the drought will be occurs. Then to prevent the drought, what we can do, we can grow more trees. Because the for rain we need the forest. So if you are plants more trees, that will produce oxygen, and it will be give the air, enough of air to the for the need of rain, to make rain, to make the rain to the atmosphere. The trees are very, it takes a good role in it. And to grow more trees, develop rainwater harvesting systems. You know, in India In Tamil Nadu, they have planned that rainwater harvesting system and drought resistance and crops such as sorghum, millets, and maize. Spray water directly on the base of the plant so that less water is used, and we can keep the water very safely, so we can avoid that drought. Then you see in India, in the year 2012 in Assam affected by the floods, and 2013 Uttarakhand affected by floods, 2014 Jammu and Kashmir affected by floods, 2015 Gujarat affected by floods. In the year 2021, nowadays the Uttarakhand there is a flood problem, in Kerala there is a flood problem, and in the year 2015 there in Chennai there is a flood problem that is not mentioned in this. So to avoid these things, the precaution is in our hands. Okay, thank you children.